In this video, we'll show you how to play GTA 5 Roleplay. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So GTA 5 Roleplay is played through 5M. It's a multiplayer mod that lets you join custom RP servers. So you can go to 5m.net. I'll put the link in the description. And here you can click the download client button and then read through the terms of service. And if you agree, click sure, I agree. Save the exe file somewhere on your computer. Once the download is complete, open the 5m exe file and the setup will begin. And 5M will download additional files automatically. So 5M will need your GTA 5 directory, and if it couldn't find your GTA 5 directory, you'll be prompted to locate your GTA5.exe. On Epic Games, you can go to Library, find GTA 5, click the three dots, Manage, and click the folder icon to open up your GTA 5 directory. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library, right-click on GTA 5, Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. Once you find your GTA 5 directory, just select GTA5.exe and click Open. And then 5M will verify your game and download required updates. Just click yes to proceed. Once 5M is installed, you can log into your account or create a new CFX account. But you can skip this and do it later if you want. And inside 5M, click play here to browse servers. On the search bar, you can type something like Roleplay and it will show you all available custom Roleplay server. If you find the server you like, you can click on it and then hit connect. 5M will download any necessary files and then you'll spawn inside the RP world and you can just follow the tutorial from the server.